Hello, my name is Dr. Abdallah Ziraba and I'm the head of department of the ICT department in the Faculty of ICT, the ICT University. It's a program where we teach students the principles of software development to create, develop, design and maintain, but importantly, also test softwares and computer applications. This course is designed for students that have a computational background, especially students that have math and physics background, and they also could have done computer science in their high school. But nevertheless, this course is also suitable for students that have interest in working around with computers. Studying software engineering in the ICT University will provide students with a lot of abilities to understand programming languages, information systems and design, software architecture, and also to learn on how to develop softwares using different programming languages like Java, Python, and others. But importantly, software developers are also taught on the general skills such as communication and technical writing. You can easily become a software developer, an application developer, systems developer, mobile engineer, data scientist, and embedded system developer, and many other jobs out there that will be waiting for you when you graduate from the ICT University as a software developer. The program is robust because it has practical skills and hands-on that students gain, and this makes them to be more relevant in the job market when they are producing and developing the latest sophisticated softwares. Because the ICT University is both online and on-site with a blended approach to teaching and learning, ICT University has the best facilities, best labs, state-of-the-art technologies that can be used in helping students to understand how to design and craft softwares. It is also important to note that ICT employs instructors across all over the world who come to teach in this university with vast experience and backgrounds in knowing how to handle students from different diverse backgrounds. The university also has a record of more than 12 years of offering programs in English and French, and it has an internationalized environment whereby it can receive international students from across all over the globe.